Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the group balances on Splitwise. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on groups down below, select the group, and now click on balances in the middle of the screen. Here you can see the group balances. If you want to, you can check them out in more details. You can set up a reminder or settle up as well, like this. So here you can find the balances. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.